Fujifilm X100VI, a photographer's dream. Before we continue, click on the subscribe point to follow our channel as we will be dropping a variety of gadget reviews. Introduction. The Fujifilm X100VI is a camera that has captivated photographers with its unique blend of retro aesthetics and modern performance. This latest iteration in the X100 series builds upon the success of its predecessors, offering a host of improvements that make it a compelling choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. Key features: 40.2 MP trans CMOS 5HR sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and detail. X processor 5 ensures fast and responsive performance. 23mm f2 lens, a versatile focal length for street photography, portraits, and landscapes. Hybrid viewfinder offers both optical and electronic options for a customizable shooting experience. 5-axis image stabilization helps to capture sharper images in low light or when shooting handheld. Film simulations, a wide range of creative options to emulate classic film stocks. Pros: the image quality. The X100VI produces stunning images with excellent detail and color accuracy. Design. The retro-inspired design is both stylish and functional. Performance. The camera is snappy and responsive, making it a pleasure to use. Versatility. The 23mm f2 lens is a great all-around focal length. Film simulations. Fujifilm's film simulations offer a unique and creative shooting experience. Cons. Price. The X100VI is a premium camera with a premium price tag. Battery life. While the battery life is decent, it may not be sufficient for heavy shooters. Limited lens options. As a fixed lens camera, the X100VI is limited to the 23mm lens. Performance and features. The X100VI's 40.2 MP sensor and X processor 5 deliver exceptional image quality and performance. The camera's autofocus system is fast and accurate, making it easy to capture sharp images even in challenging lighting conditions. The 23mm f2 lens is a versatile option that can be used for a variety of subjects, from street photography to portraits. One of the standout features of the X100VI is its hybrid viewfinder. This allows you to switch between an optical viewfinder and an electronic viewfinder, giving you the best of both worlds. The camera also features 5-axis image stabilization, which helps to reduce camera shake and capture sharper images in low light. Creative options. Fujifilm's film simulations are a unique and creative feature of the X100VI. These simulations allow you to emulate the look of classic film stocks, giving your images a vintage feel. Whether you're looking for the vibrant colors of Velvia or the subtle tones of classic chrome, there's a film simulation to suit your style. Conclusion. The Fujifilm X100VI is a fantastic camera that offers a unique blend of style, performance, and image quality. While it may not be the best choice for everyone, it is a great option for photographers who appreciate a compact, high-quality camera with a retro aesthetic. If you're looking for a camera that can handle a variety of shooting scenarios and produce stunning images, the X100VI is definitely worth considering.